Good morning.
Morning.
Sapna, before we left for the tea, you said, stand up and be alone. I stood up and I am alone. Nivedita, listener, I heard what she said. Will I pass?
Yes.
Yes, good. So with that, so how is everybody doing after that hot cup of tea? Really woke you up? It woke me up, my sugar level is. So, yeah, today it's a little more, which is good. So all of you are awake. Like Shailesh said in his opening speech, like Sapna said, we have many new members who joined in the last 1 to 1.5 years in the club. And I see many faces here. I am so glad all of them are here. We usually send this out, this new member kit, along with the welcome mail when they come to Hyderabad, when they join Hyderabad Toastmasters Club. This time we thought it is a good thing to refresh our memory, both for the new members as well as for members who have been here for quite some time. Okay? And just a warning, you have to forgive me. This PPT has a lot of text. Okay? Because this is not meant for presentation as such. This is meant for new members to go through it leisurely. So there is a lot of material that you can read. There are quite a few slides. I am going to talk about a few slides. Other slides, you can just read them for yourself. They are self-explanatory and we will just move on. At the end of the session, we can have some question and answers. Our VP membership, Jessica, is also here to answer any questions if I cannot answer, and we will go in that way. This is also good, useful information for guests. What is Toastmasters and what is Hyderabad Toastmasters? Because this PPT is designed especially for Hyderabad Toastmasters. All right? These are our values, HTM values on which we operate. You can also see the same values on the standing there. And every meeting is conducted based on these 5 values. Today itself I saw examples of all these values. Supportive environment. When Yashna came here, she did not bring her cards, timer cards. And I saw Murli, immediately raising the cards. If that is not support, what is? So here we operate with supportive environment. Developing competence. Don't you all agree that every person who came on this stage developed their competence? Whether they are speeches or role players or anybody. Yeah? And I'm sure Jessica must have gone through Panchatantra to select a folk tale. And Navneet went through his experiences to draft his speech. And Manasa, being an engineer, where are you? Engineer, she introduced us to a new concept that we can, it's like a bullet train. I am not much of a sci-fi person, but looks like a bullet train where you can just go. Can we go to the US also? Maybe 2 hours. So all of these people have definitely improved their competence level. Continuous innovation. That will come after my session. I am not going to give it away, but it will be there. Collaborative spirit. All of you know how much effort it takes to put a meeting together. The preparation starts almost 2 weeks ago. As soon as we finish one meeting, we start working on the next meeting. So it's a collaborative effort. It's a group effort. Everybody volunteers their time and effort. By doing that, we grow together. Like the Doves you said, together we grow. And fun and enthusiasm. It's just not all work and anything. We also have a lot of fun. We go out for lunches. We have a lot of fun. We also have fun putting the meeting together. There is a lot of enthusiasm also. Some history of the club, you can read it. Especially the third point. Produced many division and district level champions in various contests. Listening quiz. Who was Who are the winners yesterday who are present in this hall? Jessica, Vijayan and Sapna. Very good. You are listening. So HDM always produced division level and district level champions. You know? That speaks for the quality. Everything counts. And we are a very diversified group of members, like holy colors. We have homemakers, we have entrepreneurs, we have students, we have consultants, we have employees. You know, we are a very diversified group, and I think that's what makes it more vibrant. Can everybody see the screen without switching off the lights?
Yes.
Backbenches? Are you all awake? Yes, no?
Yes.
You all can see. Okay. So this is the Toastmaster hierarchy. We start with the member. Like HDM, we have 41 members. 20 members. We need 20 members to charter a club. We need 20 members to charter a club. And the next level is area. About 4 to 5 clubs come together to form one area. So our area is E. We are area 1. We are area 1, division E. And 3 or 4 areas form one division. There are 3 divisions here, E, F and H. There are 3 divisions, E, F and H. That is division. And 9 to 10 divisions form one district. We are district 98. Okay? And few districts form into regions, and from regions we go to Toastmasters International. Many new members think the club in itself is the beginning and end of it. No. We operate by Toastmasters International rules and regulations, and this is the hierarchy. When you become a member, these are your resources. We also have 2 WhatsApp groups. One is official and one is informal. And joining in official group is more or less mandatory. And on Rockers, we call our informal group as HDM Rockers, that is voluntary. We have a lot of fun in both groups. Now WhatsApp has more or less replaced email, but official channel is still email. We communicate through email, and I encourage all members to go through emails also. To me, this is the most important slide. I said becoming a Toastmasters member is getting into HDM is like getting married. Because what happens before is not that important in marriage. What happens after is more important for the success of the marriage. Don't you agree, married people? Yeah? Yeah. Because it takes time and effort to make any relationship work. Same with your Toastmasters journey also. The more time you give, more you will grow. More effort you put in, that much you will develop yourself. This is a self-development, self-paced program. You can proceed according to your own speed, but it doesn't mean that you show up once in 3 months, you take up a role once in 6 months. It is a self-paced program, but again, your growth is directly proportionate to your involvement in all club activities. More proactive you are, and I can already see, a lot of new members are proactive. Rajni, she's playing a role today. Nivedita and Yashna and SRK. Our own Shahrukh Khan. And Yashna and SRK Raju took part in yesterday's area contest. so many new members, it really warms up my heart when I see new members come forward and take part. And Aditya took part in contest last time, right, in table topics. So it takes lots of guts to participate in table topics. And all these new members, Yashna, Nivedita, Aditya, and all of them took part in the contest last time. And I was very happy to see them, That is the reason why you join Toastmasters, to improve yourself. So, and everybody at HTM supports you. But ultimately, you are responsible for your own growth. And as far as your mentor, all members are assigned a mentor. When you join Hyderabad Toastmasters, you are assigned a mentor. It is your responsibility to seek help from your mentor. Okay? Call up your mentor, connect with your mentor, and get help. Whether you are playing a role, or giving a speech, or doing anything related to club activities. Reach out to your mentor and seek. They are here to help you. And when you are proactive, it shows that you are interested in your own growth. If you are not interested in your growth, why would I be interested in you? Simple, right? We have two tracks. Communication track. This is the communication track. You saw some members come here and give speeches. That is the communication track. And we also have leadership track, in which other role players like Toastmaster of the Day, Sapna, and General Evaluator Ali, Wordmaster and Grammarian Arvind, all these people with prodigious talent. Just wanted to use the word. So all these people, they get credit on the leadership track. So all new members got two manuals. One is communication track and the other one is competent leadership track. And this is how you proceed. So the ultimate destination is distinguished Toastmaster. And many people are here, competent communicator. And once you finish the 10 projects in competent communicator manual, you will go to advanced communicator bronze. And I think Jessica is an advanced communicator bronze. Pratima has already finished it. I am doing it. And then we go to advanced communicator silver. I think Pratima is the only one who is doing ACS in our class. Riyas. Two people doing advanced communicator silver. And then we proceed to advanced communicator gold. So these are the different levels in communication track. It will take some time for you to reach here, but this is the first step. And this is where, okay, I'm still at ACB level, but you learn so much in that communication track. In the first 10 projects, you will learn so much. And then you also have leadership track, which is competent leadership, advanced leader bronze, then advanced leader silver. So when you complete these two, you will become a distinguished Toastmaster. There are quite a few distinguished Toastmasters in Hyderabad. I am not exactly sure of the number, maybe 5 or 6. Pratima can correct me. She is like the encyclopedia of so that is the ultimate destination in Toastmasters journey. We are not just limited to club meetings. We have contests. 2 weeks ago, we had our club contest. This is the contest season actually. Just yesterday, we had our area contest. Shailesh already talked about it. And in another 2 weeks, 25th and 26th, we are going to have a division level contest. I explained the hierarchy earlier, where we have club. So the contests are also like that. First at the club level, then at the area level, which we finished yesterday. 25th and 26th, we are going to have it at the division level. It is called Aura Fest. And members and guests are also welcome to attend it. Go to Book My Show, search for Aura Fest and register. And the winners of division level will proceed to district level. District level winner will proceed to international. International speech contest is the only contest where you go to really international level. All others stop at district level. Table topics, humorous speech and evaluation, they stop at district level.
So national level.
Sorry.
Equal to national level.
Equal to national level. You know, in Toastmaster language, we call it area, division, district, but they are actually like area, I would say like Hyderabad, and
State.
division is like state,
And then
and the district is like national level. And you can see some of the winners. I think we have to put Jessica's picture there. This was prepared in 2016. And how many of you know some of the HTM winners besides this? You know? Okay, never mind. This I just explained. Members can also take part in various contests by playing different roles. Like yesterday, SRK Raju took up a role as SA, Yashna took up the role as contest chair. So you still have time to sign up for roles in ORAFest. But role players is limited only to Toastmaster members, not for guests. Guests can attend ORAFest, but role playing roles are reserved for Toastmasters. Can members tell me who is our VP Education?
Tell us.
VP PR?
Jessica.
Mandeep.
Who said Jessica? Okay, you are a new member, you are excused. Who is our treasurer?
Rashika.
Secretary?
Vijayan.
Who is our president?
Suresh.
Who is our immediate past president?
Bharati madam.
Right and wrong. So we have executive committee. Every member is eligible to serve in the EC. Okay? And there is immense learning in taking up that role. It's a leadership role, and I encourage all new members to serve in the EC. You need not be an EC member, you can also be a next level leader where you will be helping the EC member. For example, we have VP membership, but she will also have a next level leader who can pitch in and learn on the job. Like I said, all work and no play makes HTMS dull boys and girls. So we do have a lot of fun. We have an annual picnic and we have annual general body meeting. You can read the rest. Usually we also have like a costume theme meeting in our Moments of Truth meeting. So it's a lot of fun. Many of you don't know the other programs we conduct. Some of you know, one is called Easy Speak. This we conducted 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago. And we have quite a few people who joined Toastmasters who enrolled in the Easy Speak program. Like Murali is there, Nipani is there, they both came from Easy Speak. We also have a speech craft program. These are the programs conducted by Toastmasters. Easy Speak is especially only conducted by Hyderabad Toastmasters. Speechcraft is a 6-session program, and I can see some members. Talat is a Speechcraft person, and the others are Vijayan is also from Speechcraft. So it gets you warmed up what Toastmasters is all about, and it's like a precursor to becoming a Toastmaster. For the projects you do in Speechcraft, you will also get credit when you become a member. Youth Leadership Program, it's a voluntary program where we go to different schools and give the same Speechcraft program in vernacular, maybe Hindi or Telugu, to the school children. It's a voluntary program. Members conduct that. So right now the renewal amount is, because Toastmasters International is a US organization. So the fee is also remitted in dollars. So the Indian rupees, they fluctuate based on the dollar rate, and we revise it from time to time. And for new members, besides the 45 plus HTM administrative expenses of $1,200, you also have to pay $20 to get your manuals. That is a one-time expense for competent communication and leadership tracks. So besides this, that's additional $20. Very important slide. As I said, the more time and effort you invest in yourself, that much you will grow. And I will give you one very simple personal example. Believe it or not, this is really true. I put one plant in our guest bathroom. Okay? We rarely use that. Okay? It's for guests and it's just there. And from last 6 months, that plant had only 2 leaves. Once in a week, maybe I go there and it had only 2 leaves. Finally, I got tired of it and I brought it and put it in my own bathroom. I did not do anything extra. Within a month, it has now 3 more leaves. I'm not kidding. I only read earlier that when you give attention to plants, they grow. When you give love and attention, they grow. And I have really seen it happen now. And all I do is I just look at it every time I go to the bathroom. And nothing has changed really. And if a plant can grow just by looking at it, can we all not grow by coming to the meetings?
Yes.
All the members, you don't have to take up a role in each and every meeting. Just by being there, you can learn so much. When I joined, I was not a shy violet by any means, but I was quite reserved. Right? By joining Toastmasters, I really opened up. I can talk to anybody now. Okay. My first Toast, I am exceeding the time, give me 2 more minutes. And my first experience was a demo meet of Toastmasters by Hyderabad Toastmasters. I was not in Hyderabad Toastmasters at that time. I was working at a different company. And there was this speaker, Mario, an excellent speaker. His voice, his way of delivery, the way he speaks, I was just asked. And I was like, can I ever be like that? Can I ever speak on the stage